Yeah, I am kind of hungry. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? What the hell is this? The fuck? Jelly and eggs? What the fuck am I gonna do with jelly and eggs? Oh shit, is that Buttery Rick? Oh, yes! I'm making some breakfast. What the hell? Some damn rent! Fuck this. What the? What the hell's he got apple bombers in his shit for? Come on, man! I'm thirsty as fuck, man. Hey, thanks for having me over, for real. For real. What? The fuck is your problem, man? I told you I was thirsty as shit. The fuck is wrong with you? What drink? The fuck is wrong with you? I hate you, Antonio. Whatever the fuck your name is. I don't think he likes me.
He took ranch dressing and put it in the juice container. He's going to claim that ranch dressing there in the bottom is spoiled milk.
Oh, what the? He's got apple bombers in his fridge for it. Oh, he played me.
What the hell is he doing?
This way. Probably what I should have did.
You about to pour it out?
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna do this. No, this is from outside the fridge.
That's nice.
That's how you make milk when you're broke. Mama, milk in my cereal. Hold on. 10 minutes.
It's fucking ranch dressing and water?
Want some apple bombers?
I'm alright.
Oh.
You gonna drink that?
Yeah.
Don't actually.
No,
Don't do it.